Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on and off alarm of your Amazfit ZenBuds. So first of all, in this application you have to go for the profile, and from the My Devices list you have to select the Amazfit ZenBuds. Then you have to click on the three lines in the right upper corner, and then you have to go for the earplug alarm. When you are here, as you can see in my case, I can find two default alarms, and if you want to get rid of any of these alarms, you can click right here on the edit button, and for example we can remove the first one. Click on this icon, and right now when it's finished, just click down, and right now we can customize this one. So first, if you want to turn it on or turn it off, you can just simply click on the switcher. I'm gonna activate this alarm right now, and to customize we have to click right here, and we have to select, for example, the period, so the once every day from the Monday to Friday, or our custom. So we can set up, for example, on the Friday, Sunday and Monday, and click OK. And there is also snooze, so there is like a remind every 10 minutes to like 5 times. So you can turn it on or turn it off if you want. And of course we can set up the time, AM, PM. I'm gonna actually set it up for 6 AM for these 3 days that I selected. And to confirm, just click save in the right upper corner. And right now click that we got it. As you can see, it's saved successfully. And that's all for the alarm setup on the Amazfit ZenBuds. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.